All right, son, you hungry?
Dad, I'm always hungry.
All right, buddy. Big surprise. Time for some cheesesteaks.
Ooh, yes, I love Philly cheesesteaks.
No, don't say that. Just say Columbus. We're in Columbus, Ohio. This chef is very particular about it. He says you get those kind of cheesesteaks in Philly. Here you get Columbus cheesesteaks. You got it?
Okay, I won't say it.
Don't mess it up. This is Wario's Beef and Pork.
Steaks ready for cheese.
Came to Wario's, was mind blown.
It's kind of like somebody made your favorite sandwich with like the best ingredients imaginable.
Firing bread for cold cuts and chicken.
The culture, the passion, everything is just A1 here.
Because owner Stefan Medias put his fine dining background to work when he opened up this spot featuring a meaty mashup.
Why do I see beef and pork? I've never heard of a pork cheesesteak.
We wanted to pay homage to a lot of those Jersey and East Coast style shops. I'm a butcher by trade.
Sorry, what else? Cat juggling?
If you put some in my hands, I'll try.
#1 selling item on the menu.
We have 2 cheesesteaks. We have a standard and we have the Wario's way.
Oh, you don't want it the Wario's way.
You're gonna get it that way.
Yeah, it's what you're getting.
I know a good steak sandwich when I see one, and this is the best.
2 different cheeses. The bread's a homemade recipe.
This is what we're gonna make.
Yes, sir. It's like the foundation of a house. You gotta start strong.
100%.
I dig it.
Olive oil, water, yeast, semolina flour, bread flour, sugar,
And salt.
We will begin mixing for 5 minutes. Turn it on the second speed for another 5 minutes. Rest it for 5 and mix it for 30 seconds. It'll proof for about an hour, and then we're ready to portion and roll.
It's this little technique where it's rolling the dough into itself and form the outside skin and be nice and light and airy on the inside.
Roll this bad boy in some seeds.
Once it starts to bloom up a little bit, we'll just give it a little slice.
Yes, sir.
Then it does 12 to 18 hours. When it comes out, how long is it gonna bake?
15 minutes, 375.
Okay,
Now we're gonna make our house cheese sauce.
all right, let's do it.
We'll start with milk. 4-year-aged cheddar,
Now in the Monterey,
sheep's milk pecorino,
ooh,
salt, onion powder, garlic powder,
mustard.
black pepper, and our binder is sodium citrate.
Hit it with the immersion blender to really make sure it all comes together.
Time for Wario sauce. Super caramelized onions, roasted garlic, pepper, salt, lemon zest, lemon juice. Blend this down to a paste.
And then in with the mayo.
Yes, sir. Nice and smooth.
Delicious.
There's probably onions or money in there.
That's just what I was gonna say. All right, cheesesteak it is.
We've got our ribeye right on the flat top. Salt and pepper. Toast only the bottom of the bun.
Yes.
Flip this bad boy over. A first chop, just to spread this out a little bit. Our bread's nice and toasted now.
Why do I feel like I'm getting a master class in cheesesteak?
3 slices of Cooper Sharp, 2 slices of unsmoked provolone, a little bit of water to get some steam going. Cheese sauce. Cheese side down, cheese on cheese. Kiss a whiz on top, and some of our caramelized onions. We got our Wario sauce, and that's a cheesesteak, my man.
Damn.
I'm bathed in the cheese sauce.
It's so good.
It is another dimension.
The bread is great.
Everything from making the roll yourself to making the cheese sauce to studying awareness of great cheesesteakery. Wario sauce is spot on. They're getting a 5-star meal on wax paper out a window.
Thank you.
Fantastic. This man is dangerous.
I got your Wario's way with Wario sauce.
Thanks, buddy. We'll see ya.
Enjoy.
The Wario sauce is great.
And then you've got the steak, which is so good.
And the fresh cheese sauce, you could really tell, delicious.
Anthony and Gary Carano, they own a small little casino group throughout all of Las Vegas and the world.
Caesar's Palace.
Caesar's Palace? Tell me what you think about that cheesesteak.
I'm a bread guy, and this bread, it's awesome.
I've got 10 people in line.
I was born in Columbus.
Yeah, we know that.
He's told me like 9 times now. I've heard it.
I'm excited.
We are right downtown Columbus by the arena.
Any time of the day, you can see there's probably 15, 20 people waiting to put in an order.
1 pork swinging.
Have you had the pork and broccoli rabe?
It's literally been my craving weekly.
The broccoli on it really does make it something wildly different than a normal pork sandwich.
We're gonna start by making our cure for our pork.
Let's see it.
Sugar, salt, garlic,
Chili flake
rosemary, toasted fennel seed,
and a little zest. Rub this down and dry brine it for how long?
6 to 8 hours. So we got our pork. It's ready for the reserved pork jus and to go into the oven, 225, no longer than 12 hours. And we're gonna strain this bad boy.
Is this pulled or sliced?
It's whisked.
You're freaking me out. Fantastic. All right, broccoli rabe.
Let's do it.
Very salty water. We're gonna blanch this. A little bit of garlic, red pepper flakes, salt, zest, lemon juice, and some clover honey.
Are you gonna drop that broccoli rabe on there hot?
Yes, sir.
Last thing we do is build it?
Yes, sir. We got some nice, sharp provolone cheese.
Ow! Got ya.
Pork here and a wrap. Our jus roasted pork sandwich, big man.
I don't want this to come out the wrong way. The cheesesteak is some of the best cheesesteaks I've ever had on Triple D. That sandwich, they need to name a street in Flavortown after that.
That sharp provolone, that cheese in there.
This is another level. It's right at the corner of delicious and fantastic.
Thank you. Here's your roasted pork with broccoli rabe.
The pulled pork's herbaceous.
The broccoli on that heightens the flavors.
Dropping falafel. I could not say enough about how terrific this place is.
Great ingredients, awesome technique.
Classy and trashy.
That's what I would call it. Come to Flavortown, right at the corner of Classy and Trashy, you'll find the sandwich.